Hi, this is Karthik. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an simple web app that gives you the JSON schema of your JSON file. For example, I am having here a very big JSON file which is having a lots of data. Okay. Now I want to develop an app for this, or I want to create an API for this. Okay, so for doing that I have to know about the JSON schema first, because it is highly nested here. The JSON structure is highly nested because there are many parents, child and sub children or grandchildren. Okay, so it is very difficult to understand the schema by just seeing this. So I want to make an web app that accepts the JSON file and gives you the JSON schema. Okay. Now we are going to do this using vibe coding using cursor IDE. Okay. And here this is the cursor IDE. You can just go to Google and search for cursor IDE and you can download it. And cursor will give you 14 days of free trial, but I am having a pro plan, so I am starting directly. Okay, now what I have to do is we have to go to the project. That means you have to show an empty folder to cursor. So I usually do in WAMP server. So you can basically do anywhere on your system. Okay, there is no restrictions for this. But if you are doing in PHP, you need a real server or WAMP server to run the file. So if it is a basic HTML file, you can just develop it anywhere on your system. Okay. So I'll create a new folder and name it as JSON schema. JSON schema and select the folder. Okay, this is the interface you will see on opening your project, because this is the project structure on the right hand you are seeing. This is the project structure. This is the charts tab, and the center one is the workspace where it will show all your codes in editor. Okay, so here you have to select any model. Here you can just select auto. Okay, you can just select auto, or you can disable the auto, and you can select any model you want. Okay, I prefer composer 2 first. Okay. Now in here you have to select an agent mode. Okay, agent mode. Okay, here give a prompt: develop an web app using using HTML, JS and CSS that accepts JSON file and gives JSON schema as an output. JSON schema of the uploaded file as an output. The whole thing runs locally. Okay, no need to give it. Okay, and also a copy and download button for output file. Okay, now we will press enter. and you can see the cursor is planning the moves. And it will take a few seconds to minutes to complete the tasks, because the Composer 2 is a very fast model provided by the cursor, and Composer 2 belongs to the cursor itself. And Composer 2 also runs with the support of ChatGPT, Claude, etc. Okay. And now you can see it is creating our index.html file, which will be the root location of any HTML project. While it is doing, we will just open the file in the editor here. You can see how much code already done. It is writing code in app.js, that is JavaScript file. You can see how much code it has written within a few seconds. If you want to do this manually, think about it, how many hours it will take. Okay. As you can see, the project is ready for us. What we will do is we will go to this here. If our project structure is there, right click on it and reveal in file explorer. Okay, here it is. We will double click on that. You can see how beautiful the UI is also. So what we have to do is we have to select the choose JSON file, and my JSON file is this one, syllabus.json. Okay, the JSON file we uploaded is not coming here. See, because nothing is happening due to we are running the index file directly by double clicking on that file. Instead, we have to run it from server, because even it is a HTML file, this JavaScript needed server, a real server or a web server, a local host for it to be executed. So what we have to do is I install a web server, the local host, I am running JSON schema here and press enter. So our code, our web page has opened here. Okay, now we'll select the JSON file, syllabus.json. Okay, now you can see how beautifully it has given the JSON schema without the data, because if there is a data, there will be repetitive of the children items, so that it will be very large. And now we got here, that is copy file, copy option, which will copy the JSON schema. You can see now we'll paste it here. Okay, it is pasted. If you want, you can also download it. You can see here, you can see. Okay, so one more thing, I will drive another file here, simple, which is having a simple schema. I'm having the students database.json. You can see how small it is. The schema has become very small. While you see the students JSON here, students database here, you can see the schema, how many lines it is there. It is almost 21,000 lines here, 21,200 lines of JSON database is here. But here, when we ask it to give the schema, it has given very few lines, because this is enough. Okay, this is how we will use cursor IDE for doing vibe coding and develop a simple HTML web app that extracts the JSON schema from a JSON database file. I hope this video is very useful for you in the learning of vibe coding. Thank you for watching, And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This is Karthik signing off.